So, Poop, what do you want to do? Well, I don't know, George. Well, you want to see my fidget spinner? Yeah, but it's so cool. Hey, let me just go get it. Okay, I'm gonna lay down. I'm back. Here it is. I got my golden fidget spinner. You like it? Yeah, man. It's so cool. You're a pro. Well, thanks, Poop. You want to see it spin? Yeah, sure. So, I'm just gonna watch Minions movie while you spin it. So here, this is how you spin it. There you go. Cool. This is so cool. Plus the movie's cool. Minions 3 rules. Yeah. I'm so bored now. Let's just go to sleep. Yeah. Let me steal his fidget spinner. I stole his fidget spinner. Yes. Now he will never know. 1 hour later. Oh! Hey, Poop. What do you think we're gonna do today? I don't know. Hey, where's my fidget spinner? I don't know. It wouldn't be me that's stolen it. Yeah, I know you, Poop. You wouldn't steal anything for me because you're my best friend. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Well, if my fidget spinner's in here, I'll just take my fidget cube. Whoa, didn't know fidget cubes exist. Oh yeah, they did. But fidget spinners are so cool, right? Yeah, so cool. Well, George, you really know who stole your fidget spinner? Oh man, if you tell me, I will kill them until they don't breathe into this world. Well, it was me. Da, 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 da. I'm angry at you.